What is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and we are back with another brand new video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can turn on a two-step verification or 2FA on your Roblox account. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with today's video. Now for those people who do not know Roblox is basically a game which is available for Android, iOS, Xbox, PC, alright? And you can play cross-platform as well with your friends. So it's a pretty famous game, you might have heard of it. But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can turn 2FA on Roblox. So for those people who do not know 2FA, two-factor authentication is an extra layer of security. With two-factor authentication turned on, nobody can access your account except you, which means if somebody has to log in into your account, they have to go through multiple layers of verification in order to do that. So let me teach you guys how you guys can turn it on. First step, you need to go to roblox.com and log in into your account and click on this little circle looking icon over here. Not circle, gear looking, alright? A setting icon. And go in settings. Once you go in setting, what you want to do is you want to go on the security section over here. Once you go in the security section, now first step is you need to turn on email codes to confirm your identity. If you turn it on, it basically means that click on yes. Now once you do that, you need to enter your password over here. Once you enter your password of your account, the setting will be turned on. And what happens when this setting is turned on is basically in order to do anything in your account, a verification code is going to be sent to your email, and you need to see that code, type it on Roblox, and then Roblox is going to verify that that account belongs to you, and then only the process can be done. Like if this is turned on and you want to change your password, you need to verify yourself through your email. All right, so that's how this thing works. And if you want to log in as well, you need to verify yourself through that email, right? And if you want to get another extra layer, you want to turn this on. Once you turn this setting on, basically just type your password and click on continue. Roblox is going to verify that you're the owner of the account by typing your password if it is correct. And on the next step, you need to download Authenticator. You can easily download Authenticator from Play Store or App Store. Just type Authenticator and download it. And then link your Authenticator with your, Roblox over here. And every time you want to log in into your account, you need to open that Authenticator app, type the code, and once you type the code, if the code is correct, you can log in. And the authenticator code changes every 30 seconds, so that's why this is a extra layer of security. All right, so that's basically how you guys can turn on two-step verification. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. Bye bye.